ICT Skills, online live digital marketing courses training. Digital marketing has become an increasingly important profession in today's digital world. ICT Skills. In digital marketing, programs are carefully crafted, combining the expertise of top universities and industry leaders. Our online marketing courses with certificates offer an unparalleled depth of knowledge in various facets of digital marketing. Understanding the fundamentals of digital marketing by Learn ICT Skills, including its importance, key concepts, and current trends. We cover course topics such as 1. Search engine optimization (SEO), 2. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising, 3. Social media marketing, 4. Email marketing, 5. Content marketing, 6. Digital analytics, 7. Strategy and planning, 8. Emerging trends and tools, 9. Practical applications and case studies, 10. Certification and career development, preparing for industry certifications, career opportunities in digital marketing. Who is this for? Marketing managers looking to upscale their digital marketing expertise through gaining skills in advertising. Individuals interested in getting certified in digital marketing essentials. What you'll learn: explore ICT skills, online digital marketing courses, and digital training and tools to help you grow new digital skills and own business or career. Ready to get started? Contact us at 949-956-9596 or visit www.ictskills.in.